Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with a hair install from westkiss hair. I just wanted to briefly pop in and show you guys how this hair looks, but I'm gonna take you guys over to the second clip so you guys can see how I'm gonna be rocking it. I simply can't keep my hands out of this hair. I have it free fall. This is from westkiss. Oh, and this hair is gorgeous. This hair is from westkiss hair. I'm going to tag everything below in case you guys are interested. I have this super easy beginner friendly wig install. You guys know me, I like to keep all of my wigs beginner friendly, and I want you to know that if I can do it, you can do it. So I hope you guys enjoy. I am living for this hair, this texture, everything. Like I said, I got it free fall because if you guys are interested in just tossing your hair from side to side, when you are washing and blow drying it, just comb it backwards, and then when you install it, you can toss it from side to side. It's a game changer. I absolutely love it. If it got hot out and you wanted to put it up in a ponytail, game changer. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Just one more flip for yes. All right, let's get into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
This is what the wig looks like, okay? Air dry little curly curls. Super pretty. I do want you all to know I did bleach the knots, but I did not pluck the hairline. Oh my gosh, this wig is actually really snug on my head. So this is what it looks like. Just, you know, no pluck, but I definitely bleached it. All right, this is what the hair is giving. It did come with a dust bag. This is a medium cap size, 22 inch. The hair density is 180%. They gave us a hair bonnet, which is nice, and a wig cap. This is gonna be a super easy install. I will be gluing it down with some glue. This will be the glue that I'm gonna be using today. I will link it below in case you guys are interested. Yesterday was my first time using this, and I'm surprised at how much I actually like it. Definitely is stickier than Got To Be. For what I'm looking for in a hairspray or within a glue, it's perfect. I'm not looking to have my hair on all night. I like to take it off in the middle of the night. So if you're looking for like all day hold, this is great. It doesn't leave any white residue. You know how the Got To Be leaves a little white residue? This does not, and I absolutely love it. So this is what I will be using, and I'm gonna show you guys how I use it, but love it, okay? So what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna try to do the best that I can. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Dries fast. We're gonna wait for it to get tacky a little. It actually dries super fast. Now we just literally, and I'm using the display finder to lay the wig. You just press it in. We're gonna get a comb. And just, you know, give it some little light work action. So at this point with Got To Be, my hair would be like pulling up. I'm gonna just briefly put it in a quick little pony. But yeah, with Got To Be, I don't know what it is. It doesn't cut it for me anymore. Okay, so we're gonna just go in with a little hair tie. You could go in with an elastic band if you wanted, but I feel like elastic bands hurt my ears. So I normally don't keep them on for that long. And even when you're sleeping at nighttime, like, because there are a bunch of girls out there, you might be one of them who actually like to wear your hair for a few days at a time. And if that is you, then you need one of these so you can just sleep with this on your edges and put on a bonnet and then call it a day. Like, this is how you need to keep your hair up. So the longer the better, of course. At this point, if you didn't have on makeup, this would be a great opportunity for you. This would be the time to go put on some makeup. You don't even need it on for that long. So I'm gonna just briefly scroll TikTok and then we're gonna take it off. So this is what it's given. It's given cute. I really like this spray. Like when I say I really like the spray, I really like the spray. When it comes to cutting off the lace, let me just briefly show you to you guys. I like to cut it in sections. I think I'm gonna just go in with my scissors because it just makes it so much easier. Okay, and if you cut a little of the hairline, it's okay. I need to do this off camera so I can see what I'm doing. Spray this on my hairline because you can still see a white cast. Okay, so spray this on the hairline. Doing that really just lifted up my lace. We now have to keep this on our hair for a second. Adding that spray was the worst thing that I could have done. I wasn't even thinking about it, but that was a no. I recommend you not to do that. So today we're gonna have dramatic baby hairs. Only because I normally don't. Yeah, I normally keep it super chill, but I want to swoosh some baby hairs on the side. So like last time, I'm just going to put this additional hair just away into a ponytail. So I just curled it inward. I'm gonna go in with that same lace glue, their lace glue. I'm gonna just briefly spray it on. I curled my hair inward in the front. I don't think I would do that again. In the front, I would just, in the future, I'll just spray it, do it outward. And finger curl it, comb it. I personally wanna wear this hair free fall. That means where I can just, like, you know, toss it from side to side. If you put a distinct hairstyle, a hair part, then you're kind of forced to wear it that way. If you guys ever want to, you know, just be able to toss your hair from side to side, just don't add any parts. I really do like this. I think it's super pretty. I can see myself wearing it behind my ear. As you guys can see, I curled my baby hairs, and this hair is giving, it's coming out of my scalp. I just want to briefly show you guys what the parting space does look like in case you guys are interested. But it is a deep part, as you guys can see, and on the sides it is giving frontal, so I have this much parting space on the side in case I did want to style the hair. I absolutely love this hair. It's gorgeous. This will be a great wig for any beginner. Like I said, I did not pluck the hairline. I do believe that they pre-plucked it because the hair was giving scalpiana after I bleached the knots. You don't have to bleach the knots if you don't want to, but if you want a natural looking install, or your install to look like mine, because some women commented on my previous video and said that their wig didn't come out looking like mine. And if you don't pluck your hairline and bleach your hair, it's not going to look like mine at all, because every wig that I do, I always bleach the knots because that takes 2 seconds and it needs to be done. So this is just another way to rock the hairstyle. I just briefly put the top half up and I am absolutely living for this hair. So it definitely has a lot to offer if you're looking for that aspect. When it comes to the 20-inch, it is curly hair, so if you stretch it down, it is 20, but it just flowing beautifully. It's so pretty. But I am here for this hair. I think that this is a gorgeous texture. When I say it's gorgeous, it's giving the girls summer vibes. Like, y'all are gonna see me in this all summer. westkiss, you guys have really nice hair. This is my second install, and the first install, I absolutely loved it. I think that the lace itself is definitely very scalpy. Like when I say it's, hold on, I want to just toss over another time because I can't help myself. But when I say scalpy, it's very scalpy. It's giving the girls what we want, what we're asking for, what we need. I absolutely love it. And if you're darker than me, you can definitely tint this hairline. And if you're lighter than me, I think that this will still work perfectly for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Everything bleached perfectly. And this hair color is given like 30, okay? Granted, you might not be able to see, and today is a very dull day out, but this hair is giving 30. Like when I say the color 30, bomb. I can add some highlights to this hair and it would be spectacular. I think it's so cute. Let me just briefly show you guys. Like if I were to throw it into a ponytail, it'd be cute. It'd be a vibe. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I just keep throwing the hair from side to side. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.